Hi, I'm Alex Pault with Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at the Things Conference from the Things Industries with Sebastian Stute. He's with Smartmakers, and well, you make a lot of stuff, I'm guessing, huh?
Yeah, hi Alex, nice to meet you. So, very interesting conference, right?
This is a great, I mean, look at the crowds. This has been a fantastic event.
Yeah, it's the new stuff, the new shit, right?
Well, everybody wants the new stuff, right?
Yeah, right.
And the beautiful part about it is, I'm really getting the consensus that this is the year LoRaWAN is really turning into a real solutions provider, not just a bunch of promises. There are real products.
Yeah, it's absolutely right. So we are in the field of LoRaWAN like since a few years, and we've seen this first wave of the adoption where a lot of the clients wanted to test applications and wanted to see what is the use case that is working well, what are the use cases not working so well. But now the demand from the industrial clients and also from smart cities is much more into the direction. So I have 100 transformer stations. I need to monitor all of these. So give me the technology. And this is exactly what at the end the IoT Shop idea is all about.
Now I understand your organization specializes in industrial IoT, but you're part of a larger organization that has other facets. Can you explain a little bit how that works within your group?
Yeah, so it is the Center Group is a big group of several companies, and we have, I would say, like three main target segments. One is the industrial IoT field, so industrial companies improving their asset performance, improving their supply chain visibility, all of that. And then on the other hand, we have all the smart cities, the utility companies, which allow to improve the environment, improve our cities.
So now, give me an example of a solution from your group that you're presenting here at the event.
Yeah, so I would like to present like two kinds of solution. One which is more Smartmakers alike. So we have a solution to very easily bring a lot of transparency into the supply chain using very cheap IoT devices, simple to install. And then on the other hand, we have a IoT solution for the smart city, which is our colleagues from Zena IoT. So they allow utility companies to have sensors being installed in the transforming station so that they can monitor the energy consumption and also if there is like a short circuit and stuff like that.
Got it. Now, thinking of the application spaces that you serve, what are some of the more interesting that you would think, wow, I didn't realize that we could add this much value to this?
Yeah, I would say in both fields are parts that we haven't noticed so early on, because like I did not knew that like the utility companies need to look at the ground level water and need to measure all the ground level water stuff. And then how they did it in the past is like they hired our grandmas and grandfathers and brought them into the forests, right? Now the IoT devices are taking over, but it is important because with more data they can even like predict what's going on under the surface, how's the rain improving or influencing our groundwater system. Yeah.
Well, and actually that's a very interesting aspect of something you don't think about every day, but really has an impact.
Absolutely, yeah, and I mean, it also describes the problem very clearly. So in a forest, in a huge forest area around the cities, you have no telecommunication network. So the telecommunication operators, they focus on the city itself. And if you go into the forest, you know that your cell signal is going away, right? And with the LoRaWAN technology, it was very easy to like also adapt a network into this forest and bring these IoT devices into the field. And with the long battery life, it was also very easy to come up with a good ROI that allowed to like do the investment and get a return on investment.
Excellent. Well, I have noticed, Sebastian, that environmental monitoring has turned into a very big application space beyond just forests, farms, livestock. Interesting.
Yeah, and it brings me to my next point, which is the IoT Shop that we want to promote today, because the Smartmakers, so our company, started the IoT Shop like 2 years ago. with the intention that the integrator today is most often the customer himself, and he wants to be freely choose the device that he wants to test and bring it into the field. And with the group, we decided to now even go a bigger step and put together all the sources and all of our logistic know-how we have, source all the new manufacturers of devices, and brought up the biggest IoT store, especially for LoRaWAN devices for Europe. We have already over a few hundred customers, so over nearly 1,000 customers today, and we shipped last year 20,000 devices. So the self-adoption is really going.
So Sebastian, where do they go to find information? What's your website?
So the website is Minot Sena Connect, so mc-connect.com/shop.
Excellent. Hey, Sebastian, thank you for taking so much time. I mean, time is so valuable, and you're here at this very busy show. I'm really glad you decided to spend some of that time with us.
Thank you very much.